as I said, I'm going to start giveaways. At the end of the video, there will be a small question. So enjoy the video until the end. Hello boys and girls, welcome to Jam with Kitcha, strictly for kids. This is your host Kitcha, and today I am joined with a special guest, Tamanna.
Hello Kitcha.
This is Tamanna. She is one of my friends. She studies in 3B in the Gregorian Public School. So what do you have there?
This is a small gift for you, Kitcha.
Thank you. So what is this? Fleximos window art. This is Fleximos art. You can make yummy treats with this. You can make like different yummy treat patterns. So over here it shows you will get like 3 types of small plates where you can overlap. So you can overlap the black line, the white space with whatever color you want. As you can see, there are small lines in that boxes, you can fill it. And here you can make ice cream, cupcakes and burgers. And here you can mix the colors also. So are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
So you can unbox this.
Okay.
Should I get scissors for you? Take these scissors. Cut it from here. She is a left-hander, right? Or right-hander?
Left-hander.
Oh, okay.
Good. This is so hard to open.
Should I help you?
Okay.
Oh, so we have. What do we have here?
Different color of meat.
Potatoes, burger, cupcake, ice cream. So like I did a video before about these Fleximos Play-Doh which never dry. This I think is the same one except the beads are smaller. There are so many colors, like 2 whites, 2 yellows, 2 pinks. Yeah, separate them. 2 oranges, 3 browns, and a green. So now let's start making. So what do you want to do first?
I think I will try the ice cream.
You take the ice cream. You take over the ice cream.
This reminds me of slime.
Just reminds me of foam.
I'm trying to fill this. People call me the
Some white to make a nice light pink.
I did it.
Okay.
It can have a little bit of pink.
Okay.
I'm going to do strawberry.
Strawberry for the... Oh, like the dots and dots of them.
Yeah, this is like a strawberry flavored.
And I like chocolate also.
It's a chocolate one also.
Yeah, but then...
It's already chocolate. See how
Yeah.
brown it is?
Yeah. It's like already chocolate. Oh.
And I'm doing something insane. Literally, I'm doing something insane. Now I have. What should be the first layer?
I think we can use strawberry. I mean, yeah, just strawberry.
Okay.
Use that.
I'll mix it nicely.
The white.
And my calculations were right.
Your calculations are right. Oh my god.
Got the first color. Now the second should be some light, like yellow.
Yeah, yellow. You can never go wrong with too much yellow. I feel there's a little bit of slime inside the foam.
There is no slime. Oh, hallelujah.
When it's
Yep, done.
come out, it just sticks to
The second one is done.
it. Okay, now it's time for the...
Orange? No, green. No.
Wait, what should be the frosting? I think we should just go with green. Because
What should we use for this? Should we use green for this?
yeah. Oh my god, look at this. All the stuff is just like stretched out. I just wrapped it around my finger. I don't know
Oh,
why.
this is the correct measurement.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's pretty good.
I know. I can.
Why don't put 3 of each color so that they can make as many as they want. Try doing that.
Yeah.
And actually, this is actually for putting a window.
Oh.
That's why it's so sticky and all.
Oh yeah, so like can just like, just stick onto your
So,
window.
see this? I made it more sharp. Oh my god, this is so sick. Like it just orange is softer.
Can we peel this?
Let's try.
Like I just found it.
Yeah. Now it looks like we don't even. It's so nice. I like it a lot. Especially the foam. You can't go wrong with too much foam. If you have too much foam, you can like make. Oh, the burger looks pretty good so far.
Yeah, I need to. I'll just do a little bit of foam.
I'm gonna make this
Filling.
burger part a little flat with my.
So now let's peel them and stick them to the window.
Okay, I'm really excited.
It's like they need to peel the foam.
Oh, you're like. Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You know how scared am I? Yep.
Whoa.
Now you have to stick it.
Okay, I'm gonna stick this here. Oh, how would you have to press once that's stuck? Okay, this is good.
Yes. And when you open it, you can see the back.
Wow, that looks awesome.
The back actually looks more awesome than the front.
I know, the back is much better.
Let's see the back. Thank you, Tamanna, for bringing this. So this is the Fleximos window art. You can make your own delicious snack and then stick it to your window. Fleximos window art. So bye guys.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. And what's your channel?
Tamanna send doll stories. Please subscribe and give me more subscribers.
Please do that. Bye guys.
Bye.
The question is, what colors were in the burger that I made with the Fleximos? If you have the answer, go to the link down below, click it, enter your name, address, phone number. You may be a winner.